Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80240066, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Open fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? Is it approaching 200 Mbps? The next one is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on date and time. Make sure that all of these three switches are on. Click on sync now. The next one is to reset Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and it will reopen Microsoft Store and lastly re-register the Microsoft Store. Okay, so we have a command for you. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator and paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.